We're at Encore Performance Dance Studios here in Chantilly, Virginia. I'm going to put a link to this wonderful location below. I want to thank them for allowing us to record here. Check them out. It's a very cool place. This is called Metronome. You know what a metronome is? It's a thing where you count music. Device. We brought it to West Coast. We're going to do it. Then show you. Sugar bush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there, obviously, is a completely different way that you're seeing normal patterns in West Coast. So you got to have somebody who knows how to do it, follows very well. But if the lead's done very well, maybe not. But again, if you don't show it to her, she's probably going to do it to something else she's more comfortable with. So it starts as a right side pass, but it stops. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 1, 2, bring her by your right side. 1, 2. Now the connection with her right and my left is important. We're going to do 3, 3, and then make her hold on 4. So she's on the right foot on 4. I'm going 1, 2, 3 on my left, holding on my right on 4, because I want to stop her there, and I both want us to be facing the same direction. So we're going to be facing this way when we're done. I want you to see what it looks like. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm leaning away from her, she's leaning away from me. So the connection is in her right arm and my left. So we're going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to raise her arm, pull her, make her do the other way for 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can do more as long as they're an even number. So we're just doing a couple. So if the music has like a nice flow to it, it fits really well. So again, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm on my left on 8. She's on the right. So we just did a couple. To get out of it, you only got to do 2 steps to put her back where she was. So let's go back this way. Whole way to finish, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you do a triple, then we're both on our wrong feet. So it's just 1, 2, and then walk, 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 2 steps for the entire time. So it's a nice, different move, smooth move, but it does require a change of the cadence. Sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, when you're behind her, just make sure you can stay with the room, that you're not too close to her to bump into her, but just make sure you have those moves. Let's go this way and we're done. Whole way through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a nice move. Never shown it before, so hope you like it. Mean a great deal of me, great deal of my dance star, Miss Grace. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe as we always ask you to do. It's free. Until next time, have a great week. Miss Grace.
Have fun, keep dancing. We'll see you next week.
Bye.